The town has also sold around 200 premium homes, which start around €5,000 and require less repairs.
I think pigeons were created here.
Ernest Fromm is an American who bought one of these premium homes for €15,000.
My name is Ernest Fromm. I'm 54 years old. I purchased this home. I'm very happy with it. It's 4 stories, 2-bedroom with a living room. It's big and beautiful. Along with the home for $15,000, I got this beautiful piece and these other pieces and another one in my living room. This is what sealed the deal for me. This view, I had to have this.